Story Spark. Every mystery begins with a question.
For over 2,000 years, millions have celebrated Christmas on December 25. But was Jesus actually born on that day?
The Bible never gives an exact birth date.
Many historians believe Jesus was born between 6 BC and 4 BC. So why do Christians celebrate on December 25? Centuries later, church tradition adopted December 25 as the celebration of Christ's birth. The exact day remains unknown, but the message of hope has endured for centuries.